Welcome to Sunshine Academy, Telangana Geography, Lecture 1. Introduction to Telangana. Telangana region is referred as Dakshinapatha in Puranas. Dakshinapatha is the region between the rivers Narmada and Tungabhadra, which means the path to South India. An Egyptian Greek, Ptolemy, in his book The Guide to Geography, mentions the river Godavari as Telivaha. Tilingas lived on the banks of river Telivaha in Telangana region. As mentioned by Amir Khusro, a poet of Delhi Sultanate period, the word Telangana has been used from the time of Delhi Sultans. According to famous archaeologist and historian Parabrahma Shastri, the region where the Telugu people lived was described as Trilinga Desa. The term Telangana was clearly mentioned in Telapur inscription, Sangareddy, 1417 AD, Velicharla inscription of Pratapa Rudra Ganapati, Tirumala and Chinna Kanchi inscriptions of Sri Krishna Devarai. Background of formation of Telangana. In the wake of growing demands for new states, the central government appointed Linguistic Provinces Commission headed by S.K. Dhar in 1948 to examine the case for the reorganization of states on the linguistic basis. It favored reorganization on the basis of administrative convenience rather than linguistic basis. But in October 1948, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar welcomed the linguistic states as per Dhar Commission recommends. Potti Sriramulu started fast unto death on the 19th of October 1952 for the creation of Andhra state. He continued the day for 52 days and became martyred. So, the central government appointed Venchu Committee on the 19th of December 1952 for creating a new state for the Telugu-speaking people of Madras Presidency. New Andhra state was formed on the 1st of October 1953 with Kurnool as its capital. Central government appointed Fazal Ali Commission on the 29th of December 1953. In September 1955, it recommended the reorganization of the whole country into 16 states and 3 centrally administered areas. Andhra Pradesh state was formed on the 1st of November 1956 after the Gentleman's Agreement. Telangana state formation. On the 5th of August 2013, the Finance Minister P. Chidambaram told in the Parliament that the process of formation of Telangana would be taken forward in accordance with the procedure and precedents. On the 3rd of October 2013, the Union Cabinet passed the Telangana Note prepared by the Union Home Ministry. On the 13th of February 2014, AP Reorganization Bill was introduced in Lok Sabha by then Union Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde. On the 18th of February 2014, Telangana Bill was passed by the Lok Sabha with voice vote, Speaker, Meera Kumar. On the 20th of February 2014, Telangana Bill was passed by Rajya Sabha, Deputy Chairman, P. J. Kurian. On the 1st of March 2014, Telangana Bill got assent of the President and became the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014. On the same day, President's rule was imposed in United Andhra Pradesh State. On the 2nd of March 2014, Gazette notification was released without notifying the appointment day. On the 4th of March 2014, the Government of India notified the 2nd of June 2014 as the appointment day. On the 2nd of June 2014, Telangana came into existence as the 29th state of India. Important points. The fielding 7 mandals in the erstwhile Khammam district were transferred, of which the first 5 mandals were completely annexed and remaining 2 mandals were partially annexed to East and West Godavari districts of Andhra Pradesh. They are 1 Kunavaram, 2 Velerpadu, 3 Kuknur, 4 Vararamachandrapuram, 5 Chintur, 6 Bhadrachalam, 7 Burgampadu. Due to this, the state of Telangana lost an area of 2.763 lakh hectares. The total area of state was reduced from 114,840 square kilometers to 112,077 square kilometers. There were 16 districts in Hyderabad princely state. Telangana region had 8 districts. Before the formation of Andhra Pradesh state, some areas were separated from erstwhile Warangal district and merged with Khammam district in 1953. In Telangana region, the last district formed in United Andhra Pradesh state was Rangareddy district. It was created on the 15th of August 1978 by separating some areas from Hyderabad district. The profile of Hyderabad state between 1948 and 1956. There were 3 regions in Hyderabad state. They had 16 districts. Telangana region, 8 districts. Marathwada region, 5 districts. Kannada region, 3 districts. Telangana region, Medak, Nalgonda, Mahabubnagar, Nizamabad, Atraf Ibolda, Warangal, Adilabad, Karimnagar, Marathwada region, Osmanabad, Nanded, Beed, Bhea, Aurangabad, Parbhani, Kannada region, Bidar, Raichur, Gulbarg. The district, Atraf Ibolda, Hyderabad, Rangareddy, was under the direct authority of Nizam. Khammam district was created on the 1st of October 1953 by separating some area from Warangal district. According to the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, 2014, Hyderabad will continue to be the capital of Andhra Pradesh state also for a period of 10 years. In 1865, Mir Turab Ali Khan, popularly called as Salarjung I, created 16 districts in Hyderabad state in the name of Jilabandi. There were 8 districts at that time. The average area of the districts is 13,880 square kilometers and the average population of the districts is 6.92 lakhs. The profile of Hyderabad state between 1956-2014. The gentleman's agreement was signed between Hyderabad state and Andhra leaders before the formation of the state of Andhra Pradesh of India on the 20th of February 1956 at Hyderabad House in Delhi. As a result, Andhra Pradesh state was formed by merging the states of Hyderabad and Andhra on the 1st of November 1956. Hyderabad was made its capital. Gentleman's agreement was signed by Andhra region, B. Gopal Reddy, Chief Minister, Andhra state, N. Sanjeeva Reddy, Gauthu Lachanna, Alluri Satyanarayana Raju, Telangana region, B. Ramakrishna Rao, Chief Minister, Hyderabad state, K. V. Ranga Reddy, M. Chenna Reddy, J. V. Narsingh Rao. Rangareddy district was created on the 15th of August 1978 by separating some areas from Hyderabad district. The profile of Telangana state between 2014-2016. Telangana state came into existence on the 2nd of June 2014 as the 29th state of India by the relentless first phase agitation in 1969 and second phase agitation during 1991-2014. The number of districts in Telangana state at the time of formation was 10. They were Adilabad, Nizamabad, Karimnagar, Warangal, Khammam, Nalgonda, Medak, Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Mahbubnagar. The profile of Telangana state from the 11th of October 2016 to the 17th of February 2019. For administrative convenience and providing welfare and development programs to the people in the effective way, 21 new districts were created on the 11th of October 2016, the auspicious day of Vijaya Dashami, increasing the total number of districts in Telangana to 31. They are Adilabad, Nirmal, Kumaram Bhim Asifabad, Mancherial, Jagital, Peddapalli, Karimnagar, Rajanna Sirisia, Nizamabad, Kamareddy, Medak, Sangareddy, Vikarabad, Rangareddy, Medchal Malkajgiri, Hyderabad, Mahabubnagar, Jogulamba Garhwal, Vanparti, Nagakarnool, Siddipet, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri, Nalgonda, Suryapet, Khammam, Bhadradri Kotagudam, Jangong, Hanmakonda, Warangal Urban, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Warangal Rural, Mahabubabad. The profile of Telangana state after the creation of Mulugu and Narayanapet districts on the 17th of February 2019. 31 plus 32 Mulugu plus 33 Narayanpet equals 33 districts as on now. Thank you. For more lectures please do like, share and subscribe.